Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using my 12-inch fro curly clip-ins from Heritage 1933. So before I begin using my clip-ins, I'm going to co-wash them with Luster's Pink Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Co-Wash. I'm going to make sure that they are completely cleansed before using them in my hair. So I'm doing a little bit of finger detangling as I co-wash. And then I'm going to rinse with cool water. Loving this beautiful texture. So after I co-wash, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing hair milk. And I'm just going to apply that throughout the clip-ins and do some more finger detangling. As you can see, there is minimal shedding from co-washing and finger detangling. So now I'm just going to let them dry before installing. So in the two bundles that I received from Heritage 1933, there were 4 of the 4 clip, 4 of the 3 clip, 4 of the 2 clip, and then also 4 of the 1 clip. So installing these clip-ins are super easy. All you have to do is unsnap the clip-ins, secure them on your hair, and then snap them back. That's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. One important step to take before applying your clip-ins is to measure the hair. So you want to make sure that you are not putting in a clip-in that's either too long or too short, like I did here. So I had to unclip this 4 clip clip-in and do a 3 clip clip-in. So I decided to do a half up, half down style. So I'm going to repeat these same steps throughout the back portion of my hair. So now that my clip-ins are installed, I am going to use my Luster's Pink Super Moisture Curl Definer to do some 2-strand twists to the back section of my hair. I did also leave out a small portion of my hair that I will be twisting up as well in order to cover up the tracks. So the back portion is completely twisted, including my leave out. So now I'm going to move on to styling the front section of my hair. So I've already did a ponytail in the front, and I'm going to add a few of the clip-ins just to add some volume to my top knot. So I'm just going to play around with the front until I get it into the position that I want, and then I'm just going to use some bobby pins or some hairpins to secure it in place. So I let the twist dry for a few hours, and now they are ready for the takedown. And as you can see, definition on point. That is my leave out right there, and this is the clip-in. Matches perfectly with my texture. Loving it. So I'm just going to continue to separate and fluff until I get the desired look that I'm going for. So Heritage 1933 has fro curls and fro kinks, wefted hair, and clip-ins. They also have skincare products as well as hair care products. And did I mention that the founder and CEO of Heritage 1933, Latoya Thompson, is a beautiful Black woman, and she also provides the necessary products to sustain hair care for women and children in local shelters. How bomb is that? Make sure that you check the description box because I will leave the information so that you can support this brand as well. So I don't know about y'all, but I am definitely feeling this look. Heritage 1933, y'all came through with these clip-ins. Loving it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.